Ugh, made my face really red. So I've seen so many of these videos online and it just really made me want to do it. And that is turning myself into an e-girl. I've never done anything like this before. I do put highlighter on my nose, which is a typical thing that e-girls do. However, I haven't ever put blush on my nose, so that'll be interesting. I also generally look quite sick in the face anyway, so I feel like this is just gonna be like an explosion of sickness. I'm also feeling incredibly jet lagged right now, so ultimately I'm doing this video to try and keep myself awake. So first of all, I'm just gonna do my normal foundation routine, which to be honest, you've all seen before. Nothing's really changed. I still use the same foundation that I always use. So I'm just gonna do that real quick and then we can start with the fun stuff. Ta-da! So I've done my foundation and I also did my brows because nothing really different there. I'm just doing my normal standard brow. Wish I could do that thing where you move your eyebrows differently. That'd be fun. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is do a little bit of contouring. I'm right in thinking that contouring isn't the most important thing when it comes to e-girl makeup, but I think I'd just feel weird if I didn't try and create some kind of cheekbones. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit on either side. Like so. And then I'm next gonna take my recently purchased blush and just run that across my cheekbones. So with the blush, you wanna put it pretty much most of your face. So I'm gonna go mental with it on my cheeks. Oh Lord. And then once you've done it there, I'm right in thinking you just put it completely over, like. It looks so sick. Now I'm also gonna put somewhat on my lip here. Is this cute? I can't tell whether this is cute or not. Okay, I'm now gonna take my highlighter and just highlight everything, I guess. Okay. Now to move on to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my trusty Colourpop palette and use like the purpley pinky colors. So I'm gonna make a start with the pink eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this like baby pink color here. So I'm now gonna take the darker pink shade and use that to add some definition. And I'm now gonna take this, lavender color with the smaller end of the brush and just dot it underneath. I also just realized that this look would look adorable if I had some contact lenses. So I'm just gonna stick them in real quick. The good thing about putting in contact lenses as well is that it naturally makes my nose run and me feel all like teary-eyed, which I think really adds to the look. So I'm happy with that. Next thing I'm gonna do is do a winged liner because I seem to think that every one of these that I've seen have always had quite a big wing liner going on. So I'm gonna use my Colourpop Birds of a Feather liner, but at the moment I currently can't find it, so I'm gonna go and look for that. I found it. So I'm gonna create a general outline with this and then go over it with that, and yeah. So my camera died, but ultimately the only thing you missed was me do my liner and get very frustrated at my liner. Also stick on some lashes, so here we have. The next thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of glitter to my inner corner because I feel like I wanna add glitter. So I've got some glitter gel here. There we go. I'm gonna use a mix of lipstick and lip gloss. So I'm gonna start off with this boy. Focus on the goddamn tube, damn it. Here we go. Now I'm gonna take my trusty Stila gloss, which I love. Oh, wig. Before I put this on, I'm gonna stick on a collar necklace as well, because I'm thinking I need something here. And here we go. Now for the wig. Get on there, wig boy. The wig is on. So I'm thinking the final addition is gonna be some glasses. And there we have it. My e-girl look